What's going on, everybody? Welcome back, man, to the channel. If you're new, my name is Jamar, man. They call me Mars out on the street. I just stepped into the Mopar community with a 2017 Challenger Hemi RT manual. Don't forget that. Welcome to the cockpit, red seats. So far, I'm loving the vehicle. I'm loving the ride. If you guys are already subscribers, you guys know I got the Mustang in the shop. But if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video is going to be pretty short. Figured I got caught in the rain yesterday on some craziness. Car got super dirty, so I figured you know, we run down to the wash real quick, spray it down. Oh, I don't think y'all saw that 12 got somebody. They didn't pull it up on somebody deep. Maybe if I get the car clean quick enough, we'll drive by there and see what's going on. But got caught in the rain last night. Car shows every speck of dirt, so I figured let me drive down to my car wash, spray it down, give you guys a little POV side of things, and do a little night drive, maybe catch an exit or two, see what's out there. Maybe, who knows, we might catch a little mirror out there. We might catch a little SS 2010, 2011. Can I beat those? Can this compete with a 2011 Camaro, 2012, 2013? I don't know. Hey, listen, if you're in Ohio, you got a 2011 Camaro, 2010 to 2013 Camaro, 2014 Camaro, drop a comment. Let's get a run in. I want to see what this car can do stock, because once I start modding it, y'all not gonna stand a chance. I'm just letting y'all know right now. But anyway, let's get right into the video. Welcome, man. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on for me. I see y'all, man. Let's get it. We go, man. We go for that wash soap. Oh, where the soap at? Ain't no soap? There we go. I gotta be careful not to get no water in there. I gotta relax. Look at all this. This is the only time I use a foam brush, man, for my wheels. I don't ever put that on my paint. Sorry for those who do. Ain't no soap in here? They tripping. I want my money back. We're gonna go straight to the rinse. Get this thing back shining. What that look like up there, y'all, for the POV? Can y'all see the stripe? Can y'all see the stripe on that? What that look like? Damn, it's cold, man. Got that whole motor smoking. Ooh. Oh yeah, we'll wrap that up. We'll wrap that one up right there. I was trying to get this soap out of this. There's some soap in there, man. I was trying to get it out. Y'all saw the smoke starting to pop up. I said, let me relax on that. Oh yeah. I'm gonna pull up, see if I can find that cop who pulled over that car. Let's go see what's up. Have a little fun out here. Let's see. Y'all think there's gonna be some cars out? It's a Wednesday, man. Wednesday night. I did just see a Scat Pack at the car wash when I pulled up. It was a red Scat. Oh. I don't see no cop. They must have let him go with a warning. They must have let him go with a warning. Let me relax before I'm next. I gotta relax, man. Y'all don't get me in trouble. Sorry about my nose, man. I'm a little getting over some allergies. But I figured I still gotta get this video out for y'all, man. I told y'all, all 2024, I'm coming with videos. Hopefully they good videos. Y'all gotta let me know. Give me a thumbs up if y'all like the videos, so I know what y'all like and what y'all don't like. You won't hurt my feelings, but I'ma still put the videos out there. I think I see a Charger up there. We gonna get a little closer. It's either a Charger or a State Trooper. I guess we'll find out. That look like a Statey, man. Or is that a, I don't know. I don't see no lights. Y'all see that? No, I don't see no lights, but almost like a V6 or something. Oh yeah. Oh, it ain't nothing I want. I'm cool. Let me jump off this exit, spin back around, see if I can catch something on the way back. Show y'all how I get down, man. Some of y'all ain't never seen me race before. Y'all think I'm just all show, no go. You tripping. Come on, baby. Come on, get that truck moving, man. This boy slowing me up, man. I'm sorry, y'all. There's always somebody slowing me up, you feel me? I gotta roll. I gotta roll. I ain't gonna go too far. This ain't gonna be a long POV. But listen, this weekend, if it's nice this weekend, I'm gonna do a long POV to Cleveland. And I'm bound to find somebody on the freeway, man. Y'all wanna see that? Because those who've been watching the channel for a while, I used to go fishing. How many of y'all remember those go fishing videos, man? If you a long supporter, and I don't know if there's many left, I don't know, but if y'all remember the gone fishing videos when I used to be at the pond fishing for cars, drop a comment in the chat, man. Drop a comment below. Y'all remember those gone fishing videos? Should I bring that back? It's hard to do it in a Stang. You know, I'm making 8,000-9,000 horsepower. There ain't too much out there on the road that's just rolling around on a brisk Tuesday night that's gonna be able to compete, you know what I'm saying? But with this I can get back in it. I got a couple video ideas also. I got about 4, man, off the top of my head, I got about 4 or 5 different video ideas coming up soon. But if you got some recommendations, drop them in the comments for me, so I get some ideas and some videos that you guys want to see. I got a couple ideas already I'm gonna do probably this weekend. But I want to know what y'all think. What do you guys want to see? I kind of bought this for the channel, for the Mopar community, for the RT community. Coming from somebody that's been with a 3-valve Mustang for 4 years, and then to a Coyote Mustang for another 4 years, going on 5 years. What do y'all want to see from me now that I'm actually driving? It's been about a couple weeks now that I've actually drove or driven this Mopar, this RT Hemi. What do you guys want to, is there something specific that you guys want to see from me as far as content goes? Let me know. We weaving through traffic. I'm gone. I gotta relax, man. I'm gonna get in trouble. Traffic kind of light right now. I don't don't see nobody though. I'm gonna spin around, man. I'm gonna spin the block. Head back home. Shout out Cuyahoga Falls. Shout out Stowe. Shout out Ohio, man. Shout out to the summer. I saw a video, man. I was going back to my old videos. For those of you who are still watching, I went to my old videos and I saw like some summer car shows, and it just made me want to get in the car and go shoot a video. Like, I'm super excited for this year, for this summer. I got two cars. I got, you know what I'm saying, I got 2 cars I can bring to the channel. One of them's a race car. The other one, you know, this one here, it's gonna be something special, but it ain't gonna be what the Mustang is. You know what I'm saying? But still. Whew! I gotta relax. I cannot wait to put an exhaust on this thing, man, and a tune-up, and a tune. A tune-up and a tune are 2 different things. For those who didn't know, I just want to make that clear. Cause I got into a debate with somebody, and I'm like, yeah, I'm about to do a tune-up on my car, and they're like, oh yeah, who's doing it? I'm like, myself. And they said, oh, you tune cars? I'm like, well, hold on, cause that's different. Now, I didn't say I tune cars. I said I'm about to do a tune-up on my car. It's a big difference. But once I get this exhaust on here, some fresh plugs, it should really wake this car up. And I'm trying to find a good exhaust for the car. I don't know what's out there, man. I gotta do some research. My friend at work was telling me get a muffler delete or mid muffler delete or something. But I don't know. I gotta see what that sound like. Cause I want something unique, and I want something like this is nice. Cause when I was younger, I liked a lot of loudness. And this will be kind of like that too, but I still want to be able to hear inside the cockpit. Like, I want to be able to hear inside the cabin. I'm getting old, y'all. I like quiet, low rumble noises now. You know what I'm saying? Anybody else like that? Or y'all still like the Borla attacks and the Corsa Extreme shits? That shit's cool, but I don't know. Anyway, we about to wrap this video up. Just a quick video. Nothing out on the streets today, which was cool. Didn't expect it, but you never know. A lot of stuff coming this year. Like I said, drop some stuff in the comment section, y'all. What do you guys want to see, man, on this? Is there a certain video you guys want to see? Let me know, man. Shout me out. Let me know. Anyway, listen, I'm getting out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the POV. Just slid all the way to 3rd, man. Come on, man. You guys see what's going on here. It's a stick shift car. It's not an automatic. This is what I do. This is so easy to slide this car. It's so easy to drive this car. That's one thing I will give this car. It's super easy to, and the transmission is super smooth. Anyway, man, I'm out of here, man. Peace out.